Guys, ready for kayak fishing. Today is November 4, 2020. Let's go guys. Okay. Saktong-sakto sa ibabaw guys. Fish on. Angler Steven. Hello guys, this is Angler Steven again. So now we will do our kayak fishing. Here's our Malibu kayak. So we're putting 2 rods here. Okay. So my fishing buddy Juris.
Hello.
Yeah, hope we can catch good fish now guys. This is our setup. So very simple kayak, but very effective if you're targeting only here beside like 200-300 meters away from the shore. So I tested it many times already, so I wanted to prove it again that this type of setup is effective, not only the pedal kayak. Okay, see you guys. This is Angler Steven, fish on. So the temperature is around 26-27 degrees Celsius, and the weather, the swell, the current is good also. So this is it. Ha? Di ako ba? Para dali. Ha?
Kaso yung ilang tao?
Oo.
Kami yung Jasper.
Kala mo yung punta itong niyagi?
Pila mo kilo?
68. Aktibo ang mga matang baka eh. Kubit. Sige, mira. Ara. Fish on.
Sabi mo, kubit mo? Ha?
Pero gamay rin.
Gamaya mo din.
Nora.
Ha?
Lapu-lapu. Double strike. Okay, Nora and lapu-lapu guys.
Ayan.
It's okay. Better luck next time. So, ready see. Okay. Lapu-lapu, ha? Fish on. Good size snapper, black spotted, using Litma glowing. Strike guys, good size. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, good size hamor. Hamor guys. Ooh. Look at the size. Atak. Atak ng hamor guys. Woohoo. Woohoo. Good size. Good size guys. Good size hamor. At the mouth. Okay, litma glowing. So sweet and sour by Jonel. Impas ang sweet and sour by Jonel. By Oding. Naraw. By Nara by Maclowe, by Jimwell. Shout out all YouTuber, Bisdak YouTuber there. And then by RC Fishing TV Attack, by Juber Elite Angler. Rabay Juber. Oh, dako kay babaw. Kita nga lang ala. Strike guys. Woo. Ibang klaseng isda guys.
Ito mahaba taro na.
I don't know what type of fish is this, but this is the one together with the shark.
Hello?
Under. So I forgot the name. I already researched about this before. This one guys. This fish. Yeah. Okay, catch and release. Okay, release natin guys. Bira daripada ako. Sudoy, mabot. Wala kabuhi.
Aboy na? Okay na?
Kabuhi. Kuha to eh. Ibangga man sa kon bato gud.
Tangtang na, tangtang.
Oh, tangtang. Kabuhi ba? Kuha to eh. Iskobichi. 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 Bye back. Bye lo Dorian bye. Fish on guys, strike. Good size. Oh, good size. Oh.
Hamor?
Hamor ni. Toro, lutaw na. Nakuha na ni mo?
Ha? Ano ko?
Ayan, ako na. Iwa. Look at the size guys. Gamay kay Riz. Gamay kaya.
Gamay. Di masulod sa pinggan.
Guys, strike again. Woo! What a blessed day. Good size.
Nga na lang good size, mga lima, makalima tayo nga na, okay na.
Mga bay, unsa kay may lutuan eh? Ha? So, big size. Good size, ha? So, the same, I'm losing glowing litma jig with my partner Juris. Guys, good size. So using litma jig, orange glowing. So using my my Stradic 5000. This one guys. Radic 5000 with the palms. Good size. Fish on guys, Angler Steven. Lisik triple hook siguro na mo.
Okay,
Guys, Angler Steven with my fishing buddy Juris, the boatman. So we're heading to that area. A bit far. Hope we can catch a fish there. Total we already have around 6 pieces of fish. Good size hamur. So very tasty for sweet and sour guys. Okay, just tune in for more fishes to come. Okay, Angler Steven, bye bye. Strike. Fish on guys. Oh, hamur. Foul hook. Nalawas. Foul hook guys. Good size hamur. Here comes the grouper. So tiger grouper guys. Same jig. Nice color. Guys, foul hook. I hit the belly. Okay. Size grouper. Fish on. Grouper guys. Sangit pa ka. So another good fish. Okay. Good size. Takas. Guys, good size. So with the help of my fishing buddy Julius. Yeah. So may ingani mo Brad?
Sigurado na sweet and sour.
Hey guys, another good size fish. Oh, grouper. So another good size grouper guys. This is the one. Okay. Yeah. So the same jig I use. Size nice. So the climate is very good. This is a shallow area guys. So as you can see under. Woohoo! Good size grouper. Okay, my fishing buddy Juris got a good size grouper. Okay, mabrok brother. Put it up. Unsay may maingon ni mana bay. Unsay may maingon ni mana unsay luto ana atong
connection ni para sa
pataas.
sweet and sour.
Ay ka, impas bay. Impas mga bay. Impas ang sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
Yeah.
Sakit.
Nakuan ko na.
Kisip-kisip, kisip-kada ko daw,
Diba?
ako yung antes.
Saan na ni? Catch and release na saan eh?
Ngalang mo na.
Oh. So guys, catch and release ah. Yan guys, by Angler Juris. Okay. Oh, good size hamur guys. Show buddy. Unsa may maayong luto na bay?
Hindi na ninatabuyan ka. Dagdag naghapon eh.
Sure ba?
Oy, sige.
Unsa may maingon mo ni Bay Jasper?
Doon sa nato niya nga spot dere kay kaya gulwan siya makuha karon sa hapon. Sunod bulan na siya mukan nagat na po.
Wala to na dagko ban. Wah, hamor ni. Pero bukat-bukat siya ba? Lugnot na siya ngayon. Kuan de. Tiger hamor. Kusog malugnot. Tiger hamor. Napaka, ikaw ba? Makuta pagali ka isa. Nice color. Guys, end of our fishing session. So it was a good fishing adventure. We able to catch a lot of fish. Okay, there's a finale catch of double hook. Finale catch of Juris. Guys. Woo! Put it here, Juris. Angler Juris, guys. Double hook up. So very rare it happened that you have double hook up Nora and grouper. Fish on. Basta may maingon ni mo kay Jasper, Brad. Pataas ay mong kuha nimo. Guniti, biraha ni. Ako nang birahon para mataas. Kita sa natong Jasper. Guniti lang paatras. Ayo pre. Sige, pwede yapon. Sige pa. Okay na.
Nasa pa na hook.
Oh, ipataas. Unsa may maingon ni mo Jasper?
Just pasensya na jud ka just kay ang imo.
Guys, end of our fishing session here in Pujara. So we have a good time. We able to catch a lot of fish actually. So guys, we enjoy a lot and we have more fish. We catch multiple sizes of rockfish. It was a good day, guys, together with my fishing buddy here, Juris. So guys, enjoy my video and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, for more videos to come. So see you guys. This is Angler Steven Studio signing off. Fish on.